Balti in the middle. Takes the jumper.
Mas matagal pa nga siya kay Comdelte.
Ayun na, tama! Baltazar flexing his muscles. In the charity stripe sa laro na to. And the X for 3. That one's short. Offensive rebound. Mike Malonzo off the glass and in. Papare backing him down. Going to the left side. Gets it off the bank. Another one this time from inside the arc. Wang kisses it off the glass. They could not complete it. Minuya on the reverse. So turns the corner. Malonzo the spin.
Counted
There's a foul against Pampanga. Out is Garcia. He has Zach Wang in front of him. Nice challenge. Swings it to Hugnatan. Papare for 3. Yes, sir. Hugnatan no answer. Kicks it out. Corner triple. Reynel Hugnatan knocks it down. He hooks a pass. Hugnatan the leading scorer for San Juan in this game. Rattles home. Concepcion. 3-pointer again. Para sa Pampanga. 4 seconds to go. Concepcion. Well challenged. Right now. Para sa Pampanga. Wamar with a hand in his face. That's nagpapalitan ng tres dito. Ang Pampanga at San Juan.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Yung nangyayari yan. I don't think anyone, in the MPBL world, really a surprise para sa Pampanga. Hindi nila sinimula si Serrano as MJ Garcia opens up with a layup. Serrano, Concepcion coming up.
Matulak and for Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, they want to get Jeff Viernes going early.
Right, because he got going in their last meeting in elimination. Noong second half na Wamar, wherein, nakita natin yung simula niya at yung pag-develop niya. Although wala pa siya, dun sa superstar status. Pero ito,
Miranda drives to the middle, goes for the one-hander. 4 straight points para kay AJ Miranda.
And that middle was wide open.
Balti in the middle, takes the jumper. He has been looking for that shot earlier. There was a 3-point shot. This time, Calisaan recovers, gets past Balti. Tahonera, almost the same spot as earlier. This time, he hits it.
Yun naman ang kagandahan. Meron si Tahonera, no?
So, Tahonera sets the screen. Panganiban settles for the jumper. That's all net para kay Nico Panganiban.
If there's one action na nag-struggle itong first jumper inside the paint, pangalawa na yan dahil ang una 3-pointer ni Tahonera. Pero ito, ang ganda ng atake ni Panganiban.
They go to Panganiban. Panganiban for 3. That one's short. Offensive rebound. Mike Malonzo off the glass and in.
One of the reasons why pinalitan ni Godfield.
Dexter Marquez and Zach Wang has entered the game for the Knights, as well as Orlan Mumar Jr. Another push shot.
25 yung average niya no second round.
Edson Serrano knocking down that beautiful fadeaway from the left side. Hugnatan against Ronan Santos. Papare backing him down, going to the left side, gets it off the bank and in.
Well, he wanted that matchup as soon as pagpasok.
The line there, Wang keeps it alive for the Knights. Marquez, another one, this time from inside the arc. Wang kisses it off the glass for the tip-in.
Third offense.
Encho and Kurt, be a team player. Javi and Coach Chris.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Well, those players will definitely be very key para sa Pampanga Giant. Soberano checks in for Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Marquez swings it to Hugnatan. Papare for 3. Yes, sir!
He's gonna get nothing on the stand.
Crossover to the left side. Wamar almost got the steal. They could not complete it. Minuya on the reverse.
Now that's what he does. He's scrappy. He puts pressure and goes for the reverse.
And here he is trying to put pressure on Orlan Wamar, but Wamar gets the step and the finish.
Now showing itong si Minuya kung kaya niya. The two smallest guys on the floor. Back-to-back baskets para sa kanilang kupunan.
Serrano with the answer. That's a 3-pointer from top of the circle. Extending this.
Kala mo 2 points na. Receiving din. Mintis yung layup ni Marquez. Binalikan sa kabila ni Serrano. What a 4-point swing, and that's costly for San Juan.
30. Struggling here in this period. Malonzo turns the corner. Malonzo the spin.
Counted
There's a foul against Pampanga.
Counted yan, yeah.
3-point
superstar. It's like toll gates. You pay the price of being a star or a superstar, and that's the price you pay. Masasaktan ka
to
talaga.
the right side. Serrano has 10 to work with. Encho, step through, floater, no good. Gets his own miss. Second serving. Yes, sir.
Always a threat this time. Empty corner.
About to wrap up the first half. Marquez was free top of the circle, but good thing Calisaan was able to convert on the... Not sure he was passing to someone. Wamar finishes finally a basket after the first conversion early in the second quarter. Ramirez, Alcoriza, and Baltazar starting the third quarter for the Giant Lanterns. And Kurt Rayson nakawala doon ng depensa with a beautiful finish. Maikes finally gets his first basket of the game, ties things up at 40.
Yes, sa kanilang mga puntos.
Maikes is joined by Taiwan, Malonzo, Calisan, and Panganiban. Serrano all alone near the basket. Serrano working the two-man game with Balti, gets the roll on the shot.
This time he was the screener for him. He's been usually an impactful player. Serrano with a miss.
Ramirez puts it back in for the deuce. 49 board, lots of contact, no whistle. Baltazar puts it up to no avail. Wamar is leaking out, and that's going to be an easy 2 points.
The third time, it's not a charm already as the red shirt got it in a quick outlet. Serrano for 3.
Step to the side triple, but he gets his own miss and puts it back in. The recovers, 8 on the shot clock. Panganiban kicks it out. Corner triple, Reynel Hugnatan knocks it down. Meanwhile, a live shot clock did not reset. Shot fake. Wamar hooks a pass. Wang gets the bounce on the shot.
Talk about a dead stop. That ball.
Will test the defense of Hugnatan. Kicks it out. Serrano wide open. Late challenge. And still, Encho Serrano knocking it down. That trifecta.
Quick out on the weak side.
Hugnatan to answer. That's all nylon. Para kay Reynel Hugnatan, 54 to 53. Noisier inside the Pilo Elec Oil Center. Concepcion, three-pointer again. Nagpapalitan ng tres dito ang Pampanga and San Juan.
North Division final, both teams really going at it on both ends.
Wamar has the speed advantage on Aguilos, finds one great delivery by Orlan Wamar Jr.
Sa Pampanga siya si Archie Concepcion. Mas matagal pa nga siya kay Gomdelte.
Ayun na, tama. Baltazar flexing his muscles. Sana nagbaba dito para sa Pampanga. Concepcion from downtown. Yes, sir! 64.
Both teams are really exchanging baskets as you see Reynel Hugnatan opens the fourth with a post move.
Silent here in the second half. Baltazar gets it. Shot clock did not reset para sa Pampanga. 4 seconds to go. Concepcion, well challenged by Orlan Wamar, but no problem para kay Archie, the Royal Bazooka. Now goes to Balti. Leaking out is Garcia. He has Zach Wang in front of him. Nice challenge, but an even nicer finish para kay MJ Garcia. Miranda trying to lose MJ Garcia. The Euro step and the finish para kay AJ Miranda. It's back with AJ Miranda. Miranda puts on the brakes, puts it up. Nice basket there para kay AJ Miranda. Trimming it back in this game.
It's gonna have to be now.
He hooks a pass. Hugnatan, the leading scorer for San Juan in this game, rattles home another three-point shot.
Well, it's gonna be interesting
to add to his total as the leading scorer para sa San Juan. But the answer by Encho Serrano. The spotlight right now para sa Pampanga. Wamar with a hand in his face. That's no problem over the outstretched arms of MJ Garcia.
Heck of a shot by Orlan.
Garcia sets himself up for that three-point shot. Oh boy, a similar sequence in the third quarter happened. Basketball. The slip by Baltazar. Rayson decides to go for the shot himself. Took a lot of time on the ring pero di nahulog. Baltazar once again, he's showing a lot of emotion.
He wants this game, especially after getting hit on the nose early in the first half. Wamar to Calisan. There's still a 10-point game.
No foul called. Rayson gets the step. Ramirez gets bumped and finishes through contact. Running out here for the Knights. They need a stop on this possession against Pampanga. Baltazar fakes a pass, eventually gets it to Concepcion, and miraculously, Archie Concepcion puts it in. The 2-minute mark of this fourth quarter. Another steal by Panganiban. He completes it. That's 3 straight buckets. The ending game X. Will this be enough time for the Knights to make this even more competitive? Serrano is left all alone. Bebuelo, Serrano with a basket. Balti opts to set the screen. Serrano loses it, but he gets it back. Concepcion has time to set himself up for the three-point shot. That's another triple for Archie Concepcion. it has been lousy to say the least for the Knights in the charity stripes sa laro na to. And the exclamation point by Baltazar, slamming it home with one hand.
It takes them to practice 2 hours. The last hour will be free throws.
I'm pretty sure about that as well. AJ Miranda has sealed the deal for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, our defending champions this year, trying to inch closer to another spot in the national championship.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!